Governor DeSantis was in Central Florida today talking about the state's wildlife, but he was asked about the rise in COVID-19 cases.
As News 6's Ezzy Castro reports, the governor says he expected it.
Governor Ron DeSantis told us today he expected an uptick in COVID-19 cases this summer, similar to what we saw last year. Now, the governor says about 75% of Floridians over the age of 50 have gotten the vaccine so far. And he also spoke about hospitalizations and how health officials have much better treatments when it comes to COVID-19. He said the virus has, quote, a pattern, which we saw last summer when cases were high, and he's asking people to prepare as we get into August. But he also spoke about those who are still skeptical about the vaccine.
I also think that we have to be careful in terms of some of the messaging for folks that may be skeptical about the vaccine. I do not agree with some of these people, some of these quote unquote experts who lambaste people and criticize them or say they're stupid or something. That's not the way to reach folks, okay? So that's one of the reasons why I always said no mandates. Because I think, honestly, I don't believe in mandates, but I don't even think it would be productive to do that.
We asked the governor how he and state health officials are working to convince individuals to get the shot. He said getting a vaccine is now an easy process. It's available at most pharmacies and health departments for those who are eligible. In Point Siena, Ezzy Castro, getting results, News 6.